Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. Listen, today we're going to be talking about PNG, but mainly from a fundamental analysis standpoint. For the people that are new, I will cover technical analysis very quickly, but that is going to be at the end of the video. Here, right now, we are going to recap, but before we do, guys, I will be letting you know when I am selling my PNG. Now, of course, it's not going to be anytime soon, but it will be probably over the next couple months because, as we know, altcoin season moves very fast. Things move very fast, and at the end of the day, it's all about cashing out and being profitable, right? Actually enjoying the money. The thing is, only 3% of people roughly each cycle make money, which is ridiculous when you think about it, right? There's no real reason why at least 50% of people should not be coming out with bread. But the thing is, a lot of people's psychology are bad. A lot of people follow the wrong people. People don't use technical analysis. There's so many factors in this. So if you're listening to this and you haven't had successful bull runs before, I really advise you to, lock it down this time. You have to make sure you follow the right people, make sure you get the knowledge that you need to get. You have to be on top of this, right? Because right now, I know things are going up, but it's not always going to be like this forever. We do have to click sell, right? And that's going to be a whole nother topic. That'll be a whole video dedicated, on how to improve your psychology when it comes to the market. I've been in the markets for many years. I know it could be rough, and even sometimes here and there, I still make mistakes. I still sometimes get a little greedy. I still sometimes don't sell or buy when I know I should, right? I'm not perfect. I'm only human. But I understand it when someone doesn't have this experience or knowledge, it's just a big gray area and there's so much fear and uncertainty. I'm going to be making sure you guys get the help you need. But anyways, let's just jump right into this recap, this monthly recap for November. And November has been a great month. Not only has PNG rose a lot, but many things have happened. So overall, I'm going to break this down very quickly. We can see that our beautiful team, right, went to the Avalanche meetup in Turkey, right? We can see the Avalanche 9000 over here, building a community with Avalanche. We can see a few pictures. As we know, this is really helpful for PNG. Some of the things they talk about is super farm extensions and new launch, right? Pretty much to sum this all up, what they're trying to do is create super farms empowering meme coins, right? They want to get on the meme coin culture, which is amazing. They want to help with meme coins on Avalanche, which is good, right? Any meme coin that is good on Avalanche, any meme coin that gets help from PNG is a win for us, ladies and gentlemen. We could see more pictures over here, right? Great time at DEF CON. DEF CON is the Ethereum conference for developers, thinkers, and makers. So we see some pictures over here, right? See, so you can see all these little things, them going to conventions, them obviously working on stuff and getting listings is an important thing. But them going to conventions, meeting up with people, meeting up with teams is also very important. A win is a win at the end of the day, no matter how big or small. So we can see, right? We can see the video they created. I'm not going to really play it. It's just a little recap. PNG has been on a 4-year journey, ladies and gentlemen, right? In November, it hit 4 years. We can see November 2020, it joined. And, this is how it looked like before. As you can see, we're going to get into the numbers in just a second. We covered this one of the videos before where we pretty much talked about how PNG had the most amount of volume, the biggest pump it's had in months, the most activity it's had in months, right? It is very fantastic. So pretty much DEX TVL surpasses 12 million, fueled by a solid 20% growth from last month. 18 million in swap volume, pushing total trading to an eye-popping 13.2 billion. 8-month activity peak with 103,000 trades lighting up the platform. So we could also see PNG is at the maximum supply, which is good. We don't want, any inflation for this coin. This is exactly what we want. Maximum supply is out there. That is so good for coins. That is what I like to see. Always another benefit, another bonus. And we can see we got listed on another exchange. So, this might not be Binance, but remember, guys, a win is a win at the end of the day. A big exchange, a small medium exchange, a medium big, or a giant exchange. At the end of the day, a win is a win, and we will get there. We will get to bigger exchanges like Coinbase, right? We already have Coinbase, but we will get to Binance. We'll get to these other, crypto.com, Kraken, and all these other sites that we will get there, and they will help us cross that line, that $20 mark that we are all looking for, ladies and gentlemen. So that is pretty much it for the recap when it comes to directly with PNG. But something else I want to cover is, the Avalanche 9000. As we know, Avalanche 9000 is amazing for something like PNG and any other coins because they all share a same liquidity pool and they all pretty much help each other. It's like I win, you win. You win, I win, right? I win big, you're going to get a nice piece of that pie. Oh, you win big, I'm going to get a small piece of that pie. Everyone gets a piece of a pie at the end of the day. So, even if this makes it pump an extra 10% at the end of the day, 5%, whatever it is, I'm grateful. That's more money in our pocket. That's a bigger pump for us. That's a bigger victory for us snipers. And that's all that matters at the end of the day with this cycle. So if we jump into technical analysis for the people that are more new or for the people that want to update, we talked about how pretty much the monthly candle was looking very, very good. We talked about how this monthly candle has a lot of volume, and we can see that this is actually the second biggest monthly volume candle in years in terms of the green one. So the candle that's in first place is obviously when February went nuclear, right? When February went nuclear, that's been the biggest candle, but we could clearly see this is a very big candle too. And it is a change of structure. It is a change of momentum. And it is a change and more confirmation that we are going up. And when we break things from us to a smaller time frame, we can see that overall we are consolidating, which means just pretty much going sideways. So pretty much from 43 cents to on average, mid 30s, but I'll bring it down here, 32 cents to 42 cents is our relative zone at this current moment. That is where we are probably going to be chilling just for a little bit. I do want this coin to break out of this by the end of the year. We can see PNG's yearly candle looks good. Yes, it is technically also a little bit of a big rejection, but that is fine, ladies and gentlemen. We talked about, the price targets previously. I won't get into that too much right now. But we can see this candle is pretty nice. I would like to see it close higher overall. It shouldn't make too much of a difference at the end of the day, but it's just something nice to see, right? It is just nice to see. We talked about how this 36-cent zone is the last pretty much relevant big support before we kind of start popping off. After that, the next resistance is 62 cents. And once we pop off from there, should be chilling. So we just overall want to be chilling right now at 36 cents. We could dip a little bit lower, as we've seen with the other weeks, it sometimes does dip a little bit lower, but it didn't really stay there, right? So as long as it just doesn't really stay under 36 cents for too long, no real closes, especially weekly closes, then we should be chilling and moving to the upside to 62 cents in the very, very near future, which would at this current moment be a 68% increase. So good. I'm not complaining. No one's complaining. We all love a nice increase. So that is step by step. That is it for the monthly. That is it for November. Thank you all for watching. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you guys next time.